our land, where nature has bestowed abundance in water and natural resources. It is the richness of this resource that has made it possible for 80% of the state's population to earn their livelihood through agriculture. The farm trade is the mainstay of Odisha's economy. Optimum utilization without disturbing the balance of nature has been the aim of the Odisha government. We have made the best of our efforts to harness this natural gift to boost the agricultural sector. From time to time, efforts have been made and projects put in place through various minor, medium and major irrigation projects to enhance the irrigational capacities for our farmlands.
आम एरिया रे तो वर्षा बहुत कम प्राय मरुड़ी होतला
आमे आगे बहुत असुविधा रे तीनों मरुड़ी रे बहुत भूकस मरी जो दिनो
हैरान बन्या भारी होतला धान चाउल हो नथिला.
The government, taking the undulating landscape of the state into consideration, critically analyzed the conventional irrigational methods. The find of this analysis was that the irrigation methods adopted till date were focused only on the low-lying cultivable areas, thus leaving a large tract of cultivable upland areas unirrigated. This very fact provided fodder for thought into a new project for irrigation, a project that would take into fold all landforms, irrespective of its positioning on the Earth's surface, and irrigate every inch of our lands.
हम छोट दिन देखे जे एटा गोटे कोनोसी सुविधार जगह नहीं थी पानी रो आ जेते बेला हम चाष करूथिने से समय चाष अधा बाटरू पानी बंद ही जाउतिला आ चाष हमर सब नष्ट होतिला.
Our government has come up with a solution to irrigate the areas where conventional irrigation has been failing. It is through the Mega Lift project, named as Parbatagiri Mega Lift Irrigation Project. Under this project, water will be lifted from river sand reservoirs to supplement irrigation to the Kharif crops at all those places where conventional irrigation is not possible. The project is named Parbatagiri Mega Lift Irrigation Project to remember and pay respects to Parbatagiri, a freedom fighter and renowned social activist of Odisha.
इने गोरु गाय नहीं चरुथिले पानी जोगु एखेना घास उठला के गाय गोरु भी एछन पाएबे घास आमे भी खाद्य पाएमु ये दिन सटा बहुत उन्नत मानर सरकार करछन.
The Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, has medium to long-term comprehensive programs for providing irrigation to the farmlands in the uplands. These are areas where irrigation has to be carried out by lifting water from rivers and reservoirs, as normal conventional means of irrigation fail due to the natural challenges of the terrain.
प्रकृति पर निर्भर करी कोनोसी सुविधा न था. प्रकृति केतबेल धोइर चली जाता केतबेल मरुरे चली जाता बहुत हताश भीतर गति करथले.
The Mega Lift scheme will irrigate a command area within the range of 500 to 2,000 hectares. The modus operandi of each Mega Lift scheme will include lifting surplus surface water flow of the rivers or reservoirs through heavy-duty high-head pumps through a rising main to a delivery chamber located at the highest level within the command area. This water will then be distributed through underground distribution network as per the suitably located outlet of 20 hectares by 4 hectares chalk by gravity flow.
पानी पहुँच जाइए आम एबी चाष कि करूँ पर जो आमर पिला छुआ भल मंद रही ना से मैंने भी ये चलिए.
अशेष धन्यवाद देवाक पड़ो सरकार को जी जहाँकि आम चाषी मान सरकार एति चिंता कर.
आगुरी बहुत किसी माने दुख थिला एबे उठा जोड़ सूचना बहुत किसी आम उन्नति कर समस्त हस खुशी फेरी. मेघ पहला तरह खुशी हेबुनी आज्ञा पानी हम कंटार पानी नहीं थे ये पानी थे छाड़ीदे बहुत पानी भरीगला बेले ए योजना करागला पानी आमको गोटे इमिति छाती की दमदमाटा को खुशी कराई मनटा भारी भाई खुशी आमर.
Currently, the Mega Lift system is designed in such a way that it can be operated in conventional practice of application of irrigation water up to 1 hectare chalk with lower head, and at the same time it can be compatible to micro irrigation at a later stage. To ensure smooth running of the project, a dedicated power system connectivity for uninterrupted stable power supply has been ensured through provisions from local grid substation to each project. For time-bound and quality construction, and to avoid cost and time overruns of the mega lift schemes, EPC, that is engineering, procurement and construction method of contract, has been adopted. The EPC contractor is responsible for completion of detailed design, procurement and construction in a time-bound manner, and also holds the responsibility to operate and maintain the schemes for a period of 5 years from the date of commissioning. During this period, there is a provision for educating the members of the Water Users Association for proper operation of the scheme. This project is being widely acclaimed by upland farmers because the project has short construction period, minimum land acquisition, displacement or rehabilitation problems unlike other conventional irrigation projects. Usage of underground pipe distribution network for irrigation curbs the loss of water via seepage or evaporation, thus ensuring optimum utilization of water, improving the irrigational efficiency. Thus, through the implementation of the mega lift projects, the upland farmers, who were earlier dependent only on rains and were suffering from drought, will be greatly benefited.
पानी आसिला हीराकुदरे चाष बास करिमु दि पैसा होई परिबो हेले पिला झिया मन को पढिमु दि पैसा लगैमु बही खाता घिनिमु
पानी आसी गलान हमर पाखकु हमें आछन भल ऊपर कमे करी खाइबु इतना तो दिटा खाइ पी के आनंद रहिछु आउ
Their socio-economic status will improve, adding to Odisha's GDP as a whole.
पानीटा मेघा प्रोजेक्ट आम हवा बोली जान नथलु आज्ञा भाग्य है आम जिते गुड़े तलिया जमी लगी जाइए आम संपूर्ण भाव में धान पाइलु ना मरुड़ी होता वर्ष
टार्निका स्कीम रे कुकड़माल प्रोजेक्ट रू पानी पाई आर 7 एकड़ खंडे जमी के पानी लगी से जमी रे मु धान चाष करी उन्नति ई वर्ष है।
In accordance with the conclusions of a detailed field survey, 174 schemes were initially identified and grouped into 15 clusters. Subsequently, 34 schemes, including 8 lift schemes in Malkangiri district and 11 lift schemes under District Mineral Foundation Fund, were also added in different clusters, thus bringing the total number of schemes to 209 across Odisha, 17 clusters and 1 Upper Indravati lift project. Schemes with total Ayakut area of 2,90,976 hectares have been taken up at an estimated cost of Rs 8,482.38 crores. These schemes have been grouped into the 17 clusters to facilitate tendering, execution and power connectivity. The execution of these clusters have been taken up through contractors in EPC mode, as decided in the state-level monitoring committee held on 13th March 2012, under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary of Odisha. The government of Odisha has arranged funds from its state fund and also secured loans from the NABARD under RIDF scheme towards the execution of the mega lift projects.
खरीफ रे आज्ञा आमर एरियाटा भल चाष नहीं है आज्ञा सत्य बारे गले एवं जेनटा आसी खरा मसीहा चाषटा आम डालटा भल भाव हो
मेघा पानी लगे आम चाषटी कर सुसटी शीत मास कर आगो ना कर
आमर तो ना उपाय नहीं न मेघा पानी ही आमर भरसा एका होचे।
These schemes are taken up in 23 districts which lie in the following river basins, that is Bansodhara, Indravati, Tel, Mahanadi, Brahmani, Boitarani, Budha Balango and Rengadi Right Bank Canal of Odisha. Since inception, a total of 80 mega lift schemes have been completed, covering an Ayakut area of 94,652.34 hectares by March 2019. Besides this, some schemes have been identified in the periphery of reservoirs like Hirakud and Rengadi reservoirs. Upper Indravati Lift Canal System, with a cost of 986.71 crores, is fast progressing. It will provide irrigation in about 26,248 hectares of land in Jayapatna, Koksara and Dharmagarh blocks in Kalahandi district. The project is estimated to be complete by March 2020. Our farmers, with their untiring efforts, make sure that we have enough to eat. It is a small step of gratitude of the government to help them in their endeavors. Keeping a holistic vision for agricultural development, through these schemes, the government is aiming to care for one and all.
परिवर्तन जीवनटा मघा पॉइंट है जो दिनों सब ठीक बदली जाइए पनीपरिवार चाष भी करूँ बैगण करूँ टमाटो ये पनीपरिवार चाष जिते होचे करूँ
अनुभवटा आम सरकार बहादुरी भल कर गाँव के चेष्टा कर लगे नदी पानी आम गाँव के आसला भारी सुविधा है बोली मनटा खुशी हो।
Striving towards achieving maximum irrigation on all lands despite the difficult terrains. We stand one with our farmers in all challenges and promise to provide the best of all that is needed.